Hi, good afternoon, students. Today we want to discuss about the article writing. Article writing is a long written composition which is published in the newspaper, magazine, and journals. The purpose of writing an article to describe the people, to describe the public, describe a person, and to narrate the events and express your opinion, ideas, your suggestion, your remarks, and your descriptions related to the topic. Dear students, before writing an article, some important points are to be remembered. The points to remember. First of all, the format. What is a format? Format is title and writer's name. Suppose you are given a task to write an article, Rising Prices and Modern Living, which is a current topic. You have to write the title, Rising Prices and Modern Living, written by Anand. This is the format, and format keeps 1 marks according to the CBSE marking scheme. After the format, you have to write the content. What is the content? Content is a subject matter. The logical and balanced opinions, ideas, facts, remarks, suggestions, descriptions are written in the subject matter, at least 5 paragraphs or 4 or 5 paragraphs. Dear students, you should not divert the attention from the topic which is given to write, which is given for the task. This is the subject matter. You should focus on the subject matter. And fluency, number 3. What is the fluency? Fluency, either expression. Means, I have defined the fluency into 5 points, and you should keep in mind 5 points while writing an article or the longer composition. Introduction. You have to write down 3 or 4 lines of the introduction of the topic. Suppose rising prices and modern living, you have to give the introduction. How? For example, the rates and the prices of essential commodities and the goods like petrol, diesel, fruits, vegetables, dal, atta and sugar are increasing at an alarming stage in India. During the lockdown period, the prices of the essential commodities have broken the backbone of the middle class and the poor class. The middle class and the poor class people are adversely affected due to the rising prices. It has become a matter of great concern for the nation and for the public and for the society. This is the introduction. After introduction, you have to give the reasons. What are the reasons? What are the factors of increasing prices? The black marketing, the corrupt people, the wrong policy of the government, the supply system, the problem of the transportations may be the major factors of increasing prices. The storing, hoarding are the additional factors which increase the prices of essential commodities. You have to write 4 or 5 reasons. After that, the results. How are the people adversely affected due to the rising prices of essential commodities? Indian society consists of the poor workers, laborers, hawkers, farmers, small businessmen, rickshaw pullers, and poor people. They cannot afford the basic needs and they cannot afford the basic eatables because of the increasing prices. Life has become very much difficult for them. Medicines have become out of their reach. Moreover, visiting a doctor means 500 rupees. Their lives are adversely affected because of the increasing prices of essential commodities. Next, the suggestions. You should keep in mind suggestions and the solutions. What might be the solutions? The government should open the special shops of the essential eatables for the poor people and the middle class people. And government should control the prices of the essential eatables and the basic things, basic commodities, basic goods. The government should give an exemplary punishment to those people who are engaged in hoarding, storing, black marketing and corruption. Moreover, government should make the proper arrangement of the distribution system and the supply system of the essential commodities. And positive end. What is the positive end? Positive end means the government, the tradesmen, the dealers and the media must join hands to make the control of the prices. They should be very much cooperative. And the government should look into the matter very seriously. All agencies should put their efforts to bring the prices under control. In this way, our country can march on the way of the progress. And this is the fluency, this is the expression. You have to express your opinions, you have to express your ideas, you have to express your description, your facts, you have to remarks and you have to solutions through the 5 points. At last, accuracy. Accuracy. While drafting any longer composition, accuracy is very much important and very much necessary. What is accuracy? The small and the short sentences, the correct language, grammar and the proper spelling should be written while drafting any longer composition. Students, according to the CBSE marking scheme, an article consists of the 10 marks, 1 mark format, 4 marks content and 5 marks, 2.5 placement 2.5, fluency and accuracy. So format, content, fluency or accuracy. These are 4 pillars, 4 technical pillars to write a proper article. Thank you students. Have a good day.